Today we're looking at the 21575 17.5 16 ply all steel heavy duty trailer tire mounted on the black dual trailer wheel. This wheel has a 8 on 275mm bolt pattern. It has the 1-inch stud holes in it. It is commonly used on the 15,000 and 16,000 pound trailer axles. E-coated finish, which they say is actually better than galvanized. It holds up longer. The tire PSI is 125 pounds. The speed rating on this tire is M, which is 81 miles per hour. It has the load range H, so it's a 16 ply. The tire capacity on the dual wheel is 4,450 pounds per tire. It comes mounted and inflated, ready to install on that axle. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.